So today I have one powerful speaker. This one, they can play it up to 12 hours. Why? Because it has a 2500 milliamp battery. But how about music? Great bass. And I said again, 12 hours, waterproof. You can install a micro SD card. So it's Bluetooth, micro SD card, and also the input as well. But you know what? I'm going to show you how the whole thing, how it works, and you will hear the sound. Even I'm recording through the microphone, you can feel the bass and the power of this tiny, powerful speaker right now. Alright, so let's check the speaker. This is one powerful waterproof speaker. Good bass. Now it's not only Bluetooth, but you can install a micro SD card. So what else we get here? So we got the charging cable, USB, micro USB, and this if you want to hang it right in the backpack. Show you how that works. To get it back, and the instructions we have it right over there. The way it works, you just put the hook right behind it. You can hang it anywhere. All right, simple. Volume control, turn on from here. We have micro SD card charging, and if you want to come in with an external audio, 1.8 stereo jack. All right, so to turn it on, press here, and we're gonna get beep. So now it pairs with my phone. Okay, I connect. So comes here, and let's play the track. And from here you control the volume. You can hear the bass, right? Or I can control the volume right from my phone. You really can hear this bass, and this is cool. Huh? So one side, this side is the bass, and this side you got the high. Okay. All right, so now micro SD card. So that's simple. Just load up a bunch of MP3s here. So we're going to try the 16 gigabyte. And when you plug it in, automatically will detect it.
Play by PS card.
See? That's the bass side. That's the high. And they have a nice LED blue light right on the side. Now to go to the next track, hold the plus for a few seconds. And now we are on the next track. You want to go previous track? Hold the minus for a few seconds. And we go to, let's go back again, next track. And now I'm going to control the volume. This loud speaker, one little powerful speaker. So definitely if you want to carry a party anywhere, this little tiny speaker will do that for you. And very important, it's a waterproof speaker. Good design, small, and actually this thing can play music up to 12 hours. Why? Because it has a 2500 milliamp battery.